Okay, let's make this plastic slide so we can get to making an auxiliary view. 245-7-5, it is the plastic slide. So we're going to go over here to, let's look at this one more time. It is definitely not metric, so we're going to go in here and start with English. Oops. English standard, there we go. Create. So we're good. Click on a view to start a 2D view right here. And I'm going to start with that basic shape that I noticed that it was, and it's something like this. Alright. So, coincident constraint for the endpoints. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and coincident that to the end there. Alright, start putting dimensions on. 3.5 by 1.75, 60 degrees. So this is 3.5, 3.5, this one's 1.75, and this is 60 degrees. Alright, I was close on that. Alright, so 60 degrees, finish the sketch, and we're going to extrude it. The entire width of the part is 2 inches. Extrude. That direction will go 2 that way. Alright, now to make this really easy, because we see that this shape right here gets cut out, we're going to actually make this 1.25 there. We're going to do this on the back side of that. So it's 0.5 and 0.5 and 1.25 down. So we'll go back over here. The easiest way to make this is to go back over here, right click, new sketch, and I'm going to make a rectangle that goes on here like this. Alright, so I'm going to say that the midpoint is coincident with that midpoint. It might actually touch because it goes up there and touches that. And then this distance from here to here is 0.5. And that side's going to be the same. This comes down. The length of this is 1.25. So we got that. Finish the sketch and extrude it. Cut through all. Alright, so that's that. When we click home, we'll go back to that part. And that's the exact part that you have right there. Alright,